everyone achieves cooking and travel adventures. We'll eat some food, visit great places, and we will share some recipes with you.
Okay everyone, today we're not on the road but we're in the kitchen and we're going to make a fantastic creamy chicken satay with rice.
On the go, no slow.
Okay, so what we're doing first, I've just chopped up some cauliflower into small little bite-sized pieces. There's some spring onion in here and some garlic, so just put a little bit of oil in the pan and just lightly fry these. We don't want to give them too much because we still want to have a bit of a crunch. So yeah, that's our first step, and then we'll add the rest of the ingredients in a moment. So what I'm doing now is just adding a little bit of red curry paste. I don't use a great deal because it can be a bit spicy and the people I'm feeding don't really like much spice, but it's part of how I make this creamy satay. So just put some of that in, stir that around a little bit. Okay, so what I've done now, after the red curry paste, I've just turned that down nice and low. And what we're going to do now is, I've got peanut butter. I'm using a crunchy peanut butter. I'll put some peanut butter in here, and we're just going to put that in the middle. I'm just going to let that melt a little bit. I might just add a little bit more. Okay, so what I've done, I've pretty much used 250 to 300 grams of crunchy peanut butter. So now we're just going to slowly mix that as it melts. So we want pretty much get that to a nice saucy type of consistency. Alright, now we've got it that consistency. What I'm going to do is put about a teaspoon of turmeric powder. So we'll mix that in. And we'll season this at the end once we've put our coconut milk in. Okay, so now we're going to add in, I've got some coconut cream. I'm going to add 2 cans. I won't add the lid. So I've added 2 400ml cans of coconut cream. And now what we're going to do is pretty much just stir this around. Okay, so now I'm just going to season that with a little bit of salt. No pepper involved in this, so because of the red curry, that should be sufficient. So we'll just get that in there. And now for a couple of teaspoons of sugar. That should do it. We'll just mix that in. So we've got a really nice creamy consistency here. Now with the chicken, I'm using chicken tenders, so I'll be cutting them up in a minute, and I'll show you what we do next. Alright, so what I've done now, I've chopped up a kilo of chicken tenders, and it's just going straight in here, because the whole idea is we don't want to overcook them, because tenders, like fillets, because it's part of the chicken fillet, can get pretty dry. So we just want to cook them through so they're still nice and juicy. So that's it for the time being. So all I'm going to do at this stage is I'm just going to put the lid on it, leave it for 10 minutes, and we're ready to serve. Well, I hope you enjoyed that little video, guys, and look forward to seeing you again shortly. And don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, just helps us out.